स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ी किसी भी छोटी या बड़ी अपडेट के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें स्पोर्ट्स तक और साथ ही किसी भी नोटिफिकेशन को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें।
I'll try and keep this brief, which I know is quite difficult for me. Just on behalf of all the media, we obviously really appreciate everything that you've done as a player and a captain for England over the years, but in particular the way that you've dealt with us. There's been ups and downs, obviously some good and bad times, but you've always kind of dealt with us very professionally, and I think we've had a pretty good relationship, all said and done. So we just wanted to show our appreciation for everything. We got you a little gift. You said to me once when we went out for dinner that you're not really a wine drinker, you're a beer man, you're a lager man. So we've got here 32 initially.
Okay.
But there was a 33rd, 33 beers, one for each of your test match handles.
Thank you very much.
And a little tank as well to go with it. So
Thank you.
if you would look at that, and on each beer there's a little message from each member of the media who contributed and signed it. So
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Cheers, lads. Thank you.
Hang on, let me change you.
Got a picture of that?
Yeah, actually, that might
People really like everyone on the stage.
Do you want one with him?
yeah,
You're going to take it?
I can take it.
just we get the beers.
Usually, no.
दोस्तों फोन उठाइए और फटाफट स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि 17 सितंबर दुबई से स्पोर्ट्स तक पर एक्सक्लूसिव सलाम क्रिकेट एशिया कप पर, जिसमें भारत पाकिस्तान के दिग्गज होंगे, 11 दिग्गज होंगे, जिसमें से 6 वर्ल्ड कप विनर्स हैं और 2 ऐसे हैं जो वर्ल्ड T20 जीते हैं। जी हां, 8 वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस एक मंच पर एक साथ, सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स तक पर। आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है और नोटिफिकेशन की घंटी को बजाना है।